Hello, this is Tim again from Mad Bees Quilt and Sew. Any of the customers out there that have a new 5 series, a new 4 series, a 7 series with this type of hook and it's hard to get in and out, there's a new way it's been shown to get in, and what you do is you're going to put it on this black race. Make sure the hole is down. You're going to line up the 2 slots that you have here with the 2 slots that we have in the hook area. And what you're going to do then is just pull this up. It clicks in there. Go to your hand wheel and then turn it. Actually, it's in. It's that quick. It's a lot easier than trying to fight with it and this and that. Just a quick put it in. If it doesn't click in right away, you're just going to turn the hand wheel until it clicks in, and that's it. Done.